Hello viewer, we have made a camel design, changing the pattern into that designs here. Also we will have some more shapes, creating the new structure. There is a shape we have. Then we will explore further. So let's have some more shapes to create the designs here as well.